Hey folks, name's Slick. I'm Spam. And we're here today to talk about exploded Pop Rocks. You know it. What can it do? Oh, let's see. Throw it up, comes right back down. It's that easy.
Let's start with the basics though. You just put them in your mouth, they fizzle, they explode.
You got a buddy annoying you? Ninja style.
There's more. Your paper's blown away? No problem. Just slap it right on top. You won't need to, you won't need to.
It's that easy. You got bullies picking on you, Pop Rocks, no problem.
Yo, what's up? Give me your lunch money.
I got something better.
Yeah, I'll take that.
This man is dead.
If you get the keys to your house, all you need is Pop Rocks, a little bit of water, you're in.
Diamonds in my ears, Prada's on my zipper, Gucci be the slipper, damn I'm feeling jipper, diamonds in my
This product is magical. It comes in 2 extraordinary flavors. Explode and extra explode. It's amazing. Pop Rocks, it's an explosion of flavor.
Everybody's doing it.
Buy it today.
diamonds in my ears, Prada's on my zipper, Gucci be the slipper.
Studies show new and improved Pop Rocks only has a 92% mortality rate. That's less than Ebola. Trust me, I'm a doctor. This product is not endorsed or regulated by the FDA.
But it's an explosion of flavor that's to die for. Golly gee, I can't wait to try new Pop Rocks! Wow, that's awesome!
Oh no, you got a couple papers? Just put them right on top.
Yeah.
You got a problem? Your paper's blown away? Look, just slap these right up.
That's amazing.
Brand new Pop.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm going.
Okay, wow.
It's a waddle.